Have you ever wondered if you could actually make money online using just the internet or even your phone? Not get-rich-quick scams, not fake promises. In this video, I'm going to share 5 real and proven ways people are making money online right now. If you're looking for online income, make sure you watch this video till the end. Method 1. Content creation: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. The first and probably the most popular way is content creation. You don't need to be famous or have expensive equipment. If you can educate, entertain, or solve a problem, you can build an audience. For examples, educational content, entertainment or funny videos, vlogs, reviews, books, movies, games, tech. You can make money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and more. It takes time, but if you stay consistent, it really pays off. Method 2. Freelancing: selling your skills. If you have a skill, even at a basic or intermediate level, you can sell it online. Examples: graphic design, video editing, writing or typing, translation, social media management, programming. There are many freelancing platforms where you can showcase your work. You're trading time for money here, but it's one of the fastest ways to start earning. Method 3. Selling digital products. This one is powerful because you create it once and sell it many times. Examples: PDFs or ebooks, online courses, templates, presets, study guides, or planners. If you know something others want to learn, you can turn that knowledge into a digital product. Method 4. Affiliate marketing. Greater than here, you don't need your own product. You promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. Examples: affiliate links, product reviews, recommendations in videos or posts. Greater than the key is honesty. Only promote products you truly trust, otherwise, you'll lose your audience. Method 5. Online teaching or consulting. If you have experience in a specific area, you can teach or coach online even without a formal degree. Examples: online tutoring, consulting, coaching, skill-based training. Greater than you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of the person you're teaching. If this video helped you, give it a like. Let me know in the comments which method you're most interested in, and subscribe if you want step-by-step tutorials on making money online.